Hi, this is Art with OCRV Center in Yorba Linda. Hey, we've got a Class A motorhome with some typical problems that we see in these things. Water damage. Always check and make sure your coach is not leaking. Roof inspections. In fact, we give a free roof inspection. Come see us and we will inspect your roof for free. So you can see that the floor just destroyed in this thing. Had black mold. All this was just powdered. We had to remove the slide out to get in here and do this repair. So we're getting ready to put a new subfloor in. We've ordered a new flooring for the customer. Good time to repair the, put a new floor in and get this thing buttoned up so the guy can go camping this summer. So if you've got any collision repair, service work, maintenance work, we're happy to help you here at OCRV Center. You can visit our website at ocrvcenter.com, or you can call us at 714-630-3766. We take care of all your RV service and repair needs.